how to fix Valorant 43 code. If you want to fix it, it's easy, only to do just type here run, click on it, and then on here type local app data percent, and then click OK. Scroll down until you find Valorant, click Valorant, and then go to save it, and now just go to logs. Right click on all those files here and click delete all files that you will find on logs, and also go to config, crash reports client, and delete all files that you will find here. Right click and delete, and that's it. Your problem now must be fixed. Just try again, and if that doesn't fix it, just run it as run Valorant as an administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.